Welcome to Bhuraverse. So, hello guys. Today we will be exploring how biological neuron works. Yeah, so that's let's begin. So, in previous video we have seen the slightly difference between biological neuron and artificial neuron. I will be going in depth in this video also. So, just a second. Yeah. Okay. Now we have seen that in biological neuron there are three key elements. One is dendrites, one is nucleus, and one is axon. So dendrites are nothing but from where the cell body or the neuron takes the input. The other one is nucleus where all the processing happens, and the third one is nothing but axon from where the output of the processing goes to other neuron. Okay, so let's say this is a neuron, this are the dendrites, these are the inputs or signals x1, x2, x3, x4. Some let's say some lines are thick as compared to other lines. This is because some input or some signals may be more uh, important than the other signal. And okay, and this is nothing but axon, like yeah, and this output will go to other neuron. Okay, a similar way, if we look at the artificial neuron, what actually happens is in nucleus there are two things, like one first is summation and followed by activation function. So activation function, if we compare here in biological neurons, so is we say, like when there are enough signals to a neuron, we say that nucleus is fired or nucleus is activated. So these both are the terms which we use in biological and this happens due to a chemical reaction. All the biochemical things are going behind the scenes. Okay. And here if we see an artificial neuron, here are two things, summation followed by an activation function. So here also there are inputs, let's say x1, x2, x3, x4, and this thickness of or the importance of the input are determined by the weights here. So every input we have there is a weight associated with it. So w1, w2, w3, w4, and similar way there is an output 1 which goes to other neurons. So how this output is calculated, we will see this now. The output is calculated by, let's say O is nothing but input 1 plus weight associated with it, plus input 2 weight associated with it, plus input 3 weight associated with it, plus so on. And now all of this is okay, we will there will be an activation function applied on top of all over it. So if we see f of summation xi where I is nothing but 1 to n. Okay, these are nothing but weights or which we can say importance of input, importance of input or signals. These are nothing but actual input. This is nothing but activation function, which we will be talking in lot of detail in future upcoming videos. Okay, and yeah, one more thing, if there are multiple outputs, like if there are one more output and which goes to other nucleus, then this both output will be similar, same, it will be same, equal. Okay, and yeah, and this was it, how the actual neuron works. This was the basically most simplest explanation we can say. And yeah, uh, in actual brain this is very complex thing and lot of things are going on in actual brain, but we are just trying to convert this into mathematical neurons, so we are focusing on the simplest thing. And future videos, we will see uh, logistic regression. We will see this algorithm with different perspectives, like one will be of classical machine learning perspective, and the other will be of neural networks perspective. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and thank you. Have a good day.